Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Burlington local and long-distance movers near me. We specialize in local moves within the city of Burlington. Our team of skilled and experienced movers is familiar with the city's streets and neighborhoods, allowing us to efficiently navigate through the city's bustling roads and narrow alleys. As a local moving company, we understand the unique challenges and logistics of moving in the town, and we are well equipped to handle them with precision and expertise. For long-distance moves, our Burlington Long-Distance 3 movers utilize our expertise and experience to carefully pack and protect our customers' belongings to ensure they arrive safely at their destination. We use high-quality packing materials and techniques to safeguard fragile items and delicate furniture, providing our customers with peace of mind. In addition to providing top-notch packing and transportation services, we offer the best pricing options for long-distance moves. We understand that moving a long distance can be expensive, and we strive to provide competitive pricing without sacrificing the quality of our service. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Burlington moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.